Hello, my correalistic people. How are you all doing? Thank you for your love. Thank you for your support. I just can't thank you enough. So, my correalistic people, the song when you say miracle not dey tire Jesus. So, small boy with big God. How una see this matter when e dey play? In fact, yesterday I upload a video. See, me I don tell una, not be saying I'm mad o, but we dey the side of the truth. Me, I no dey like anything wey be say e dey be cover up. I no dey do am. Una know say for this platform, if you wan really know the truth teller, na here you go get all the okporoge versus okporoge when e dey happen. Yesterday I come upload video of wetin happen. People when e go for inside Biafra Republic government house in exile, when e dey for inside America, when dem make video, dem come back come tell Biafrans, tell the world say this thing e no dey exist, to say na lie. And una know say from the beginning, we don dey waka about this matter from one place to another. We say na the truth na we dey after, and anybody wey found guilty apologize. Una know say yesterday when I upload that video, the man zi talk am with him mouth say na dem go carry microphone, dem go tell Biafrans the truth when e dey inside the truth when nobody don hear about, or when nobody don know about. No be so, my correalistic people. Na so I come see talk yesterday say I go bring the Cctv camera when e capture these people when they go dey check the house. Una see how person go comot from im own house. You baff in the morning, carry your bag, you comot from house, say na because of government house in exile. Oh, when e dey for you, as I say, you wan go check whether na true or not be true. Now, see wetin Cctv come use dem take do. If these people no really rent this apartment, how they take capture them? Una see, this thing dey very mockery. In fact, e too dey funny. Oh, Pastor Emeka Livingstone, you don pass this level when you dey put yourself. Una don pass this particular level. All these things sef, children no go do am. Can you imagine? You see, the appearance of these people shows say that they a little bit confused. They no really know whether na here or na there, or na here or na there. You see, see the confusion. See, CCTV camera can capture them like this. It no make sense. Person wey be say people they respect, they put you in a position where people they respect you. Nobody they talk to you anyhow. Now you go they do this thing. Oh my goodness, I cry in Calabar language. It no just make sense at all. How person go comot from my own house, say because of one person when he say get office? I beg, make una think this thing, make una reason and make una balance am. See the way CCTV camera God they use the thing they do. Oh my goodness, this thing just be like this. Our other brother, I don't tire. If they say Pastor Emeka Livingstone, leave it, let us go. Now so they tell him, he said forget this thing. He said let us go, leave them, let us go. Oh my goodness. Hey, Pastor Emeka Livingstone called pull hand for waist. He said we just confused. Oh my goodness, can you imagine? He said, oh, we confused. May we still go check whether not true. May we check. He said, Bill, I said this house not true. He said, Bill, I said this boy get this house. So he said, Bill, I said this boy rent this house. The other one said, Bill, I said we waka through away now. See Anna, he said, Bill, I said we waka through away. He said, we just leave. They said, Bill, I said the thing not true. See the way that they look. They later discover say the thing not true. That they point out, they don't really know that particular place when the thing for they happen, whether na here, whether na there, they not really know. But they think and say, how this thing could be like this? He said, we'll pass this road. He said, no. He said, which number? Hey, my goodness. Brother, una to do mazi. Hey, God. Hey, how the one when you want shock una pass? Biafra Republic government in exile, they don't verse. Now they can't release the really updates. Una won't see everything clear now. If not true say this house they really rent am, or not. If na true say this apartment really belong to Biafra government house in exile, na today na una go know say this platform na the truth na we dey talk. Na we be the original truth teller, because right now the clip don come out. Now watch this little clip and I will be right back.
Office, ka gbadazie na nna iberibe ajọka man. What a fool. People, the mad will be sick. At that old age, man, people are still behaving like that. Okay, put it out. You guys claim you guys have this your other office. Won't go near storm without your office here. You know the place, right? To tell you that the place is real. What else you want to see? I'm all these doubting Thomas, they are mad people anyway. They are mad people. What else? Yeah, about you, but the last time, okay? Let me take you on a tour. Maybe. Yeah, about you, but the last time, a post. Why make it real? Make it real. Work in progress. Here can I be? I bet you. And go see Umbombo big flag, sir. Yeah, flag in the Israel. You know, man, I am a woo. Have flag. In the nuku the nuku upon the obere yourself. You have flag in the nuku. You know, I can on a island. Work in progress. And I won't work in progress. You know, any way. Office. Ka gbadazie na nna iberibe ajọka man. What a fool. People, the mad will be sick. At that old age, man, people are still behaving like that. Okay, put it out. You guys claim you guys have this your other office. Won't go near storm without your office here. You know the place, right? To tell you that the place is real. What else you want to see? I'm all these doubting Thomas, they are mad people anyway. They are mad people. What else? Yeah, about you, but the last time, okay? Let me take you on a tour. Maybe. Yeah, about you, but the last time, a post. Why make it real? Make it real. Work in progress. Here can I be? I bet you. And go see Umbombo big flag, sir. Yeah, flag in the Israel. You know, man, I am a woo. Have flag. In the nuku the nuku upon the obere yourself. You have flag in the nuku. You know, I can on a island. Work in progress. And I won't work in progress. You know, any way.
Now my correlistic people, to all the people when they see the doubt, una dey see the way the thing dey go. This one na the complete evidence, the original, the true evidence na be this one. And the battle, this music when e dey play, we dey dance the drum dey follow. I dey tell you now, una see say the person dey go dey open the same suit too. E don open am because e tell una say, shey una say nothing dey happen for una dey see am. Now this, because of this thing wey dey go dey check, now they call do video to prove to people say wetin una dey see for social media not be true. Say na true say Biafra government house in exile for America, they really dey exist. This house dey in existence. This apartment, true we really rent am. Now who dey shame, who dey zoo, who dey abeg my correlistic people shey una don see the truth na nothing but the truth na be wetin we stand and na be wetin we dey after. Make una forget this matter, make una leave this PM alone, make e dey do wetin e dey do, make una sef make una dey do una own, make we still dey see news dey talk about aba. How una go dey fight one person every time wey be say even the person dey prove una wrong, all the bullet wey una don throw all of them dey fall for sand. Abeg make una rest ijo. So my correlistic people abeg make una share this video, make una like, make una subscribe, because I go dey bring the news dey come back to back. For now make I leave una for here because I dey come back in full force. Thank you and bye bye.